On last week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle, Basic sets her anchor in Bahia Matanchen. My dad steps on a clam.
No.
We visit a fort in San Blas, and I swim with crocodiles.
Bad idea.
That gets you caught up, so let's continue our story.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
We are now on our way to Chacala. Hopefully, there's been some news that it's a little bit crowded, just because it's getting a lot more popular. So we always have Plan B. So if it's too tight there, we'll head over to tumble, which is just about 8 miles south of there.
So the anchorage in Chacala. This bay looks huge, but when you anchor, you have to tuck into this very corner right here. And it's good for about, I'd say 5 to 7 boats at the most, because the swell and the wind come at this angle here. So you can see that you only have this little teeny corner here that is protected. You can anchor over here in nice, if the wind and the swell are low, but that's the sweet spot right there.
Hard. Okay. We're good.
A little bit of a tight anchorage, so we're gonna put on a stern anchor like everybody else. That way nobody's swinging into each other. There is about 6 boats in here with us, so we just want to make sure that we're doing the right thing. Safety. I think that Teal's going to rig this up very similar to when we grabbed a mooring ball on Catalina Island. This is a simple setup, and we shouldn't need to put up too much line, but it's nice to have it available. It's a very nice and calm anchorage the next few days, so I'm not too concerned about putting out too much. Just enough that we don't swing around and catch another boat. It looks like another one just came in, so all in all, 7 boats, maybe more, who knows, but we'll be set. We are nicely tucked in to Chacala, and it is just a gorgeous day. Anchorage is sound. There is 8 boats in here with us, and you can't complain. No bugs. The weather is beautiful, and we're just gonna sit down in about an hour, and I'm gonna make a little pasta with some clams, something really simple, and then we're going to explore tomorrow. But my goodness, You just cannot beat this. Oh, and there was even a wedding on the beach, so that was really nice to witness. Not bad. Just pantry item meal, but I guarantee you this will be full of flavor. You won't know any difference.
You underestimate your skills, pantry item.
It is. This is all the stuff that I have just in the pantry.
Understand, but
special.
this is pretty luxurious for a meal at Anchor. Come on. What is this? Clams linguine? What do you call this?
Pasta and clams.
Just pasta and clams.
Which one's mine? Hey guys, we just did a paddleboard landing. Now it's time to go eat.
I'm starving.
This is honestly a really cute town. It's quiet, but with lots of hotels and inns and restaurants. I think it's more of a tourist town for locals, for nationals.
Yeah, you don't see many people from outside of the country here.
Aside from the cruisers that are in here, you don't really see any other nationalities. The port captain actually is right ahead of us on the right, and it overlooks the small bay, and he's really friendly. You just check in and let him know that you're here for a few days, and and be on your way. But overall, I think that this was a great stop.
It was. Just you kind of settle in here real easy.
And the next time you come around, I'm going to get that massage. They do massages on the beach for an hour for $25. I mean,
I'll massage you for $20.
I think I want to do the 25. I'm going to splurge that extra $5. Right.
Grab a little bite to eat before we head back to the boat. What do you think?
Looks delicious.
It does
I
look
love watching her. She was like making the tortillas right in front of us.
Oh, but it's so hot.
Well, Well, today did not go according to plan.
Sucks.
We were so excited to go on a horseback ride over to a crater, a dormant volcano, when everything kind of went to crap. I mean, literally.
In 4 seconds, our day was ruined.
It's not ruined, but it kind of changed everything up. So let me explain what it is that we're talking about. We have a little mess going on, and it was even worse when we got back. You see that shore right there? Well, we have been going to shore every day with no problems. Until today, I guess, because both Teal and I and Emma hit the waves sideways on our paddleboard, and everything went flying. Not only did everything go flying, our hats, sunglasses, glasses, phones, we had almost everything in the dry bag, except today I decided for whatever reason to have my phone outside of our dry bag. So that went in the water. It is now currently soaking in a bed of rice.
You think it'll work?
Oh my God, I sure hope so.
Okay, come on, Rice.
Do your magic.
Here are my sunglasses with the croquis on. Was I wearing these?
No.
And I
had them on, took them off, put on my other sunglasses, and
I think it was just habit for you to put the other ones on, and
I lost my sunglasses.
yeah, your new favorite sunglasses. Teal lost another prescription pair of glasses. This time they were,
that's 2.
well, the first one was just your normal eyeglasses,
Yep.
and then now it's your prescription sunglasses. So we're down 2 sunglasses. Now you're back to only backups, which is not even the right prescription.
It isn't, but you know what? At least I could partially see.
I got cold.
A little bit
Well,
chilly.
Emma actually was trying so hard. She was diving around looking for our sunglasses while I was trying to run around like a mad woman looking for rice. And they didn't even understand what it was until I asked them for just a bag to dump all that rice in there and dump my phone in there as well. So hopefully my phone can be salvaged. So that's fingers crossed, but sorry girl. Oh, and here Compass is just not a care in the world.
He's just relaxing.
So we're trying to be positive about this. I mean, it can be worse, right? This is first world problems,
Oh yeah. But
and it's all replaceable. But man, I'm so glad I did backups on everything this morning, and hopefully we didn't lose anything else. Oh well.
Come on.
Come on.
Come
make
on.
This work. Let this work. It's on, right? Does that mean it's working?
Yes.
In the meantime, we're in paradise.
Okay.
So we had a couple of stowaways. These guys swam over. They're on vacation, a 3-day vacation for New Year's with their family, and decided to come check us out.
This is
Israel? Eddie?
Osvaldo, Ed,
No.
Eddie,
Johan,
Johan,
Alan, and Osvaldo.
Yes. I can't believe we got it.
We?
Okay, everybody, can you say onboard lifestyle?
Onboard Lifestyle.
See, all together. Onboard lifestyle. Ready?
Uno, dos, tres.
Onboard Lifestyle.
That's pretty
Love it.
cool, yeah. I mean, you don't get this kind of stuff. And the water is warm.
Yeah.
These guys just needed a little break because they swam from shore.
So they're taking a little break here before they swim back.
Yeah, sounds cool.
See you.
Whoa! Whoa!
Adios!
Bye!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you
meet
guys. Have a good swim.
Yeah. Onboard Lifestyle.
Nice guys.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked our video, please remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. These videos are made possible by the support of our amazing patrons. Join our crew if you can. This was a great stop and we really enjoyed ourselves, with the exception of losing 2 pairs of sunglasses and my mom's phone. Be sure to check out our merch store and pick up some SVB gear. I get a commission to add to my college fund if you do. Come back next week to see another awesome new video. See you then!